So let's just see. The edges are very rough. I've only got, that spindle's got 150 grit on it, and you can see a little bit where I started. All you do is make spindles of 80, 100, 120, 150, 180, 220. Do that. You might very well ask the question, but it's only going to use one part of the spindle. You just use thicker wood to move up and down the spindle. I trust that you found that interesting and useful. If you want to learn how to make that, please drop me some comments. I'm happy to share with you. As I said, please like, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.